Everyone, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, we're going to basically discuss RUBI network KYC verification problem. With no doubt, the problem all miners are facing, or majority are facing on RUBI network nowadays, is KYC verification. And with no doubt, if you'll be able to complete your KYC verification, you have completed almost 90% of RUBI network verification. And we're going to discuss everything in detail in this video. All you need to do is to watch the video to the end, and if it's the first time you're coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. This video is categorized into 3 parts. Number 1 is that a lot of people have completed their KYC verification for all this while, but it is yet to be verified. Secondly is for people that have not been given KYC slot at the moment. And finally is how you can complete your KYC verification, or how we can troubleshoot this together so that we can get this slot. All right, guys, we're going to start with number 1, which is for people that completed their KYC but yet to be approved. Here are the main reasons and how you can troubleshoot this. Okay. All right, guys, if you have completed your KYC verification for a while and you are still facing pending issue, number 1, it is due to the high volume of submission. What does that mean is that a lot of people, like let's say hundreds to thousands of people, submit KYC on RUBI network every day. As a result of that, it is compiled in their front and they are doing it one after the other. However, we're going to know how to solve that later. What might be the reason? Number 2, it may be due to unclear document, incomplete or mismatch. Okay, so when they ask you to submit your, let's say, voter's card or national ID card, you cannot come and submit national ID card in place of voter's card, or submitting driver license in place of voter's card. And at the same time, the snap of what you are submitting, if it is not clear enough, there is no way you are going to be approved. Okay, so anytime you are given the slot again, it is important to use a clean camera to snap it so that everything can be visibly seen. And at the same time, you should not submit voter's card in place of national ID card. Make sure you have your document ready. Anyone they requested for, you should be able to provide. That is the major reason your KYC is not approved at the moment. And thirdly, for every KYC you submitted, manual review is required. Okay, and this manual review may take a certain amount of time. You understand? It may take up to a week, up to a month, or up to a year. You understand? Okay, so the third problem might be due to manual review. So guys, let us go to the problem number 2, which is the reason why KYC slot have not been given to many people and how we can solve this problem. If we come to this place now and we click on KYC verification, you will see that they will show that next round is coming soon. You understand? So this next round is coming soon is not applicable to everyone. Some are getting their KYC slot immediately, provided they have met up with the criteria. And what are the criteria? Number 1, you must have to meet up with the minimum criteria. And what is the minimum criteria? You must have to mine consecutively for 30 days. You understand? To keep on coming here, when the mining is completed, you keep on tapping. As you can see, it is counting for every hour, 24 hours, right? So you have to keep on coming here in every 24 hours and be mining until after 30 days. Then the slot will be available. If after completing this, the slot is still not available, the next thing you should do is this. You have to make sure you check your account to ensure that you are doing something legit. You understand? Some people, due to illegal mining and other stuffs like that, RUBI network might flag your account. And when they flag your account, to get the KYC verification might be a problem. With no doubt, you know that a lot of people, especially during tappy period, will use both. And even this one, a lot of people use both. We use fake referrals and so on. If you were caught, there is no way the KYC slot will be given to you. So you have to check your account properly. Are you a victim? If that is the case, then you have to sort it out before it is too late. And number 3 may be due to system delay, okay? Or it is not available in your region at the moment. As we know, RUBI network is not mined by only Nigerians or by only a specific country. There are many countries that have participated in this airdrop, and as a result of that, slots are given to particular country or some countries at a time. but they may not generalize at any specified time. Okay, so that is why it is important. In that case, it requires you to be patient. And however, the kind of troubleshoot we are going to do at the end of the video might be able to help a lot of people. Okay, and finally, the problem many people face is this concerning about people that have not been able to get verified yet. If you come to your profile now, you'll see your name, and the name there should be the exact name on your the ID you are going to use. For instance, if I come to my profile now, for security purpose, I don't want to open it, but if you open your own profile, you will definitely see that your name is there, your first name, your surname, your date of birth, all those things must tally with what is on your ID. If they are not the same, there's no way they will verify you. Hope you understand the problem I'm stating now. So before you accuse B Network of not verifying your KYC or not giving you KYC slot, have you meet up with the eligibility criteria? That is the first question you should ask yourself. Okay, so what you can do right now is this. Number one, you have to check your profile to make sure that the name there tally with is what is on your ID. Okay, especially your name, your date of birth, and so on. That is the number one thing you should do. Number two, you have to ensure you mine back to back for 30 days before you apply for KYC. You understand? So you have to keep on mining back to back. When the mining has expired, you have to come here and tap again. Do it completely for 30 days before you come and apply for KYC verification again. I think you understand. And finally, which is the one all of us are going to do together. If you have not seen KYC approval or slot yet, and you think you are eligible for this, we are all going to solve this problem together. So what we are going to do is simple. We are going to come over to settings here. You can see the setting option there, up there. So when you are on setting, you are going to come to this particular place, which is about. You see about here, you click on it, then you are going to click on this option, which is contact us. So it's very important. After clicking on contact us, it's going to take you to this place. As you can see, this is the official B Network Gmail. Then you are going to come over to the subject. Then you type the subject, for example, KYC slot not given, or requesting for KYC slot. You understand? And if you have already applied for it and your KYC is yet to be verified, you can simply type KYC not verified issue. You understand? Or something like this. Then you come to compose email. You type whatever you want. Or if you don't know how to type it, you can go to ChatGPT to give you a composed and friendly email that you can send to them so that they can review it very fast and approve your message. Once they review and they find you worthy or they find you eligible, they will send you a confirmation email that they have approved you. Then you can now move on to complete your KYC verification. You understand? I believe this problem is solved by watching this video till the end, and after applying this, you are going to see a positive result at the end. So that is it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.